Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-29 and US Highway 81 in Richland County, North Dakota, beginning at mile marker 18. The sun is getting low in the sky, creating less than ideal lighting conditions, and the windshield is starting to get splattered with bugs. But we're almost to our destination. At exit 23, North Dakota State Highway 13 crosses I-29, leading to the cities of Morton and Wahpeton. Wahpeton, which lies a few miles to the east on the Minnesota border, is the county seat of Richland County. The city was founded in 1869 and is the principal city of the Wahpeton Micropolitan Statistical Area, which includes all of Richland County, North Dakota, and Wilkin County, Minnesota. Wahpeton's twin city is Breckenridge, Minnesota, located to the east on the other side of the river. The Boyde-Sioux River and the Ottertail River join at Wahpeton and Breckenridge to form the Red River of the North. The area attracts outdoorsmen and hunters as it is located in the midst of the Central Flyway, thus providing excellent migratory waterfowl hunting. The Boyde-Sioux Golf Course is the only golf course in the United States, with half of the course in one state and half in the other. Wahpeton is the 11th largest city in North Dakota by population, with an estimated 7,734 residents as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 31 leads to the unincorporated community of Galshoot. The community originated in 1882 along the Red River Valley and Western Railroad. Exit 37 provides access to the cities of Colfax to the west and Abercrombie to the southeast. In the mid-1950s, Colfax billed itself as being the smallest town in the United States with a public swimming pool. Today, Colfax has an estimated population of only 152, which is actually a considerably higher population than the town had in 1950. Abercrombie was founded in 1884. It was named after Fort Abercrombie, a local military installation adjacent to the city. This means the city indirectly received its name from Lieutenant Colonel John Joseph Abercrombie, first commanding officer of the fort. The city is part of the military reservation. Abercrombie had an estimated population of 261 as of 2018. Between mile markers 40 and 41 is what appears to be an abandoned rest area. Based on aerial images, this rest area hasn't been operational in at least 20 years. We conclude today's video at mile 42 near the Walcott exit. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.